Yes, Nicki Minaj, are you my come out? But anyway, girl, I love you. I love everything about you. Yes, I'm one of your biggest fan, but the truth is just the truth. Right? So, Nicki Minaj, this is a message to you. Now, to me, it come like step on social media. I just mostly the passa, the mix up and the blender and the baga you support. You understand me? It come to me, Nicki Minaj, like how the mix up and the baga are over there, so you there. Now you have so many people on social media, less unfortunate, where them come out here and them a look help or seek help. You understand me? But you no see them the people there. You no see them the people there. The people them who you see Nicki Minaj, I blame them, or you blame them playing song for you and belching at your face, bro. And me see you try to support the local gay guy Lionel where I tell you one bag of lie. You understand what me I say? You spend so many time on that little boy the way I be a lie tell. Now me see you run off a Rosalie. Yeah, Rosalie, we're one of the biggest bully on social media. Enough people afraid to open their mouth and talk, but here this a girl and afraid none tall. So to me, Derrick Morgan, where Derrick come out and tell me say guys, every day me say guys, him tell lies, say him now have nowhere to live, and I guess so him live. And Derrick, me see you run down Nicki Minaj with your money. No, Miss Nicki Minaj, I'm just saying nicely. What about the less unfortunate? What about the people that will really and truly need your help? You understand what me I say? What about the ones them who come out here where I try to see if them can get somebody to help them to even start a business, see if them can try to push themselves to get a little house up. Yeah. Me he need a little help, but guess what? Me can't help them help myself. I can help myself because God help those who help themselves. But what about the ones who cannot help themselves and really in need of the help? Good girl Nicki Minaj, me not tell her what to do with your money. Because I know say that them come in my comment section and say, you can't tell the woman what to do with her money or what to do with her things. But what I'm saying, they say, want it, can't get it, and get it, no want it. You understand? That's all me have to say. Nicki Minaj, big up yourself. Enough love.
Me say, Annie, get up and make video. But Nicki giving people gift. And if you're busy that Annie, we are called by the woman and give for. You need to stop it. You see me worry about gift? Where you get up and call about me for? You get up and call everybody and don't call me name Annie. Annie don't call me name. Annie don't call me name Annie. Me don't know in front of you Annie, don't call me name and I talk about guess what? You're glad you live in a Rockstone house. You know, watch it upon the hill, Annie. Don't call me name Annie. Annie, don't call me name Annie. Annie, don't call me name. You say you live bad in your family. We gonna talk about that, Annie. Go and talk about how your family live bad. Your people live bad. Your man live bad and fight and war and come on TikTok with the excitement. Annie, don't call me name Annie. Annie, don't call me name Annie. Annie, don't call me name. Go live good with your children them. Go and live good. Every day on the internet with a description and a course and a career and a carrying people. Don't call me name Annie. Don't call me name Annie. Don't call me name Annie. It's a big disgrace upon TikTok. Every day you come on TikTok, you're warrior, you put them here, warrior. Don't call me name Annie. Annie, don't call me name Annie. Don't call me name Annie, because me and your friend. Me and your friend. Don't call me name. Me hate you. Don't call me name. Annie, why you get up on a war over Nicki give them a give people for Annie? Annie, why you do it? Why you did junk Annie? You did that fast and people business and you have whoever thing to start with Annie. Annie, don't call me name Annie. Annie, don't call me name Annie. Don't call me name Annie. Annie, why you run a kind of Barbados? Don't call me name Annie. Don't call me name. You're too bad man and evil. You're busy lady want to give anybody. You're busy with where worry the woman for and give the woman for. After you not get it, in bad man Annie, you time you do that start with yourself, you start with your family man. Every day you have disgrace on TikTok and your children them a war. You put them a war, you put them a curse you. Annie, don't call me name Annie. Cause it's a disgrace too. Cause you put them a curse you. Disgrace on TikTok. Your daughter curse you. Your son them curse you. Go and start with yourself with the children we're angry upon TikTok, Annie, and leave people business alone, Annie. And if you stop it, Annie, and if you stop it, stop worrying with Nicki and her money where she give people. Eh? You need to stop it, Annie. Stop it, Annie. Stop it, Annie. Annie, don't come and shoot me and call me name. Please. Me not like you, Annie. Me not like you. Because you're going like you're a bully. You're going like you're a bully. And you're a bully for me. Don't do it and not about what gets out. Where you live, Annie? Where you live, Annie? You know the rockstone them? You know the rockstone them on the hilltop? You call me name? Don't call me name, man. Don't call me name, Annie. Don't call me name, Annie. Come in, I like you, Annie. Don't call me name, Annie. Don't call me name, Annie. You must tell me I call your name, Annie. Don't call me name, Annie. Don't call me name, Annie. You call me name far. But Derrick, live not get out and what can go. So you're too bad, man, Annie. And you're too bad, man. And then you can't survive. Every day you put them in war. You put them in war. And the man you take. Una war. Go talk about that and leave me alone. Talk about that and leave me alone. Annie, you may attack when we're going to the borders. Bombers. Wicked girl Annie, don't come in Annie. Wicked girl Annie, don't come in him. Don't come in him.